How to scalp using the simplest trading setup. In this video, I will share with you the easiest method to trade and how to pick the right trend. For this strategy, I will be using Euro USD on 1 minute chart and I will configure 3 different EMAs. However, the EMA in the middle will be very significant and I will explain about it in the video. The strategy is simple. We have 3 EMAs on the chart. The red EMA is simply a trend direction, whereas the white EMA works as a trend confirmation and a stop loss. The yellow EMA is entry line, and we only enter a trade after the rejection of pullback. And the candle which is exiting should have a proper body, meaning that it shouldn't be only half wick, half body. It will make more sense when I will show you the entries. As per entry rules, we are looking for short entry because both EMAs are below the red EMA, and for a valid entry, the price need to pull back between yellow and red EMA, and on the exit it should produce signal candle. So in current situation, the valid signal candle is this red candle. It must cross the yellow EMA and close. The keyword here is must close. Have a look at this example. This one hit our take profit, so we're gonna take another trade to test out our strategy. Here we have our signal candle, so we're gonna enter a short here again with 1:2 ratio. Second trade turned out to be loser, so moving on to the next trade. Here we have a valid entry, and this time we can keep our stop loss above the white EMA. One important thing, you must take trade in the context of overall trend, which I will also share with you later in this video. So we have 1 loss, 2 win. Moving on to next trade to show you the bullish setup. While moving on, we got this short entry which turned out to be loser. However, we are still in profit because we are keeping 1:2 ratio. Here the price has gone above the EMAs. As per the rule, there is no bullish or bearish setup. Hence we're gonna ignore these entries and wait for the right entry to show up. Here is a valid short entry. As we move forward, the setup also presented itself another valid entry which turned out to be a winner. Now the signal EMA has crossed the red EMA, but the white EMA is not in the middle. The white EMA should be in the middle and it should be clearly away from the red EMA. If red EMA and white EMA are close together, it means the market is sideways and we will ignore such entries. Here is a valid long entry. As you can see, the white EMA is clearly away from red EMA. Plus there is a clear price rejection after the pullback. Hence this entry is a valid long entry. Here we have a wick around yellow EMA, but it is not a valid entry. As per the entry rules, we will ignore this signal and keep moving. Here we have a valid entry. So far we took 8 trades and we had 6 winners and 2 losers. To set up these indicators, go to your platform's indicator tab and add 3 EMAs. After that, go to first EMA setting and under the style tab, change its color to white, and then go to inputs tab and change its length to 55. Similarly, go to second EMA and change its length to 21 and pick the yellow color. Now to last EMA, change its color to red and keep its length to 100. And lastly, the important thing, you must do the back testing of your pair because every pair behaves differently around different time frame. For example, Euro USD works great between pre-London to pre-New York session. And lastly, to check overall trend, switch your chart to 1 hour time frame and look towards left. For us it is bearish trend, therefore we will only focus on short entries. Once you figure out overall trend, your win rate will drastically increase.